Developments tonight in the case of a Martin County man accused of stabbing a woman to death in a random attack. This happened back in April. Investigators say 25-year-old Kirsten Francilis attacked an elderly woman as she was walking her dog, stabbing her more than a dozen times. Reporter Rachel Perry learned the state is now planning to seek the death penalty in this case.
Well, the state intends to seek the death penalty. The suspect's attorney has filed two notable motions challenging Florida's new death penalty law. According to Florida law, a death sentence can be recommended by an 8-4 jury vote rather than all 12 jurors agreeing to sentence someone to death. With the state planning to seek the death penalty in the case against Kirsten Francilis, the man accused of brutally stabbing a Stewart woman to death in April, his attorney is arguing the 8-4 vote is unconstitutional. I reached out to the defense attorney, who extended his sympathies to the family of the victim before explaining he feels there should be more protection afforded to a defendant to ensure unity of the overall community. Writing, while we recognize and accept that death is different, the rules we all agreed to live by for the past 250 years should be applied equally to all across the board. This is the essence of equal protection and the life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness we Americans treasure.
It was just a matter of time until defense lawyers challenged Florida's law because it is unique in the United States. There is no other state that has such a low burden to get the death penalty.
Attorney Dave Ehrenberg says if the judge in this case agreed with the motion, it would likely be reviewed by the appellate court and could eventually reach the U.S. Supreme Court.
The law is relatively new. It has not been challenged all the way up to the U.S. Supreme Court yet, so that is a possibility. But right now they haven't accepted certiorari, meaning they have not accepted a case to determine whether it is constitutional. So until that happens, the system will go on as usual.
The judge has not ruled on the defense's motion regarding the death penalty, and a trial has yet to be scheduled. Francilis is expected back in court in July for a status review. In Martin County, Rachel Perry, WPBF 25 News.